Last time I know, Toppen was pretty quiet. Where are they? Oh, down there. Let me share one with you.
I can share with you.
Okay guys, today I'm in Toppen. First, the missus says she wants to go and get some stuff at IKEA, and then Toppen is just behind us. IKEA is just in front of us. Both buildings are actually interconnected, so first go and grab a bite first. Quite a big crowd, eh? Ooh. Order first. Yes, what else? Nah. I think mostly, yeah, this one looks nice. The apple, alien, and zombie. You took the zombie, yeah? Okay.
The zombie.
Here, right? In Singapore also have the same thing, right? Pretty much. You have your salmon. Okay. You want the fish finger? Chicken wing fish finger lah. Okay. Oh, what's that? That's our meatballs. Wow, the meatballs are there. What's this? Fish fingers? Okay, nice. Normal chicken, is it? Normal fried chicken, okay. That's the salted egg. Nice. Okay. For dessert. Okay. Hokkaido cheese. Hey, they got mushroom soup. Okay, I think we go for that.
One.
Go for two lah. Two. Everybody loves this. Nice.
That's very cool.
Then you still have your garlic bread at the other side.
Okay, what is it?
There's some.
Grab some garlic bread as well. Two enough? Two and one popiah. Okay, interesting. He wants a deep fried popiah. Okay, enough. I think they count by garlic bread is about 390 ringgit. Chicken 3 piece. Oh, so how? Okay, no choice then.
Can you flip it with talking and talk?
Tak ada, tak boleh. Oh, okay. How much? It costs us 87. Hi. Ami, nice. Yo, kiddo, nice. Think first, I come here must eat the meatballs. Nice.
Thank you.
This is a jam, you should try. Nice, right? Raspberry jam with potato.
Oh my! Why they just put jam inside?
Nice, yeah. Why not? I think maybe the Scandinavian sort of this. Fish fingers. Can I have one, please?
I thought that's chili.
Pretty good, actually.
Give me a weird combination. He take the thing and dip into the mushroom soup.
Normal lah, this one. Hey, but
You want
mushroom soup is pretty good, you know.
garlic?
Let me share one with you.
I can share you.
Quite nice.
This is something we never called before, right? This is new, right?
Yeah.
We never called this, right? Mommy seems to be enjoying her salted egg chicken. The sauce quite good, huh? Oh, come on, they still have this. What do you think it is? What can I say? Okay, done with the meal. Where shall we go, mommy? Find dustbin. There you go, dustbin. Travel on a weekend. Last time I know, Toppen was pretty quiet leh. But still, because Toppen and IKEA is actually opposite of the Eon Tebrau city. So the crowd is actually more on the other side. Sometimes maybe from the other side they finish, then they come over here. Alright. Whoa, I need to check this out. Okay, this is interesting. Oh, they have a sort of a GDT exhibition here. 2012, they had this. They started, was established. I think JDT actually rebrand. Then you have your first domestic in 2014. AFC final champions 2015, and proceeding on 2016. Then next thing you have 2019. Oh, officially the new stadium. Oh, progressive of JDT over the years. Then 2020 they made it to the Champions League. Last 16. Evolution of the club. Nice. So this is also wow. Nation League. That's the FA Cup. And I think this is the Sumbangsi, I think the equivalent to the Charity Shield. Oh, they're even selling the jersey as well. I think this is the home. Is this the away? Kids and then the jacket. Hey, preschool kids. Everyday promotion. 2 kids cheaper, 3 kids cheaper. Free for kids below 3. Ooh, the parenthood. Yeah, as I say, this floor is actually more for kids, I think, for families, young kids, activities for them. Oh, where are they? Oh, it's down there. Kiddie session. That's the Cineplex. We have an ISO here. Honestly, I didn't recall actually Toppen they really had that many shops there. I mean, it's been a while since when you come here, then you notice all this stuff. The shoe factory. Although this place is not as happening, or should I say the crowd here is not just like the Tebrau city, but still okay actually, you know. There are a lot of things you can actually check out and get over here. I think food wise abundance. Yeah. Oh, there is a travel house here. Western cuisine, barbecue, Korean. Oh. Honestly speaking, I think compared to last time, there are more shops around, you know, but still I just don't understand why this place gets overlooked compared to next door, Eon Tebrau City. Although this is place is actually next to IKEA. Good Times DIY Lifestyle Studio. I think I saw one of these actually in Paradigm Mall, I think. Oh, they even have one here also. I mean, like hobby baking class. Oh, my son actually, he loves this kind of stuff. I can see actually they do this. Actually, it's pretty good for kids, you know. Teaching kids all this kind of stuff. Then also good bonding time for their family. And JDT also making a presence here in IKEA as well. Wow. Nice. Woo. Wow. Celebrate IKEA Tebrau 6th anniversary with us. Okay. 6 years already. Time flies. That's what they have here. Oh, they queue up already. Basically, they will give you the coins like this for you to actually get your ice cream. Okay, just put it there. So basically, just put it in the coin. Press it. Ah, dispenser. The ice cream will be filling it. Okay. Grab it. Take it. Okay. Okay. Last one. Daddy's one. Okay, Jonathan, you go that side. Oh, that's my ice cream. Haha. Nice. Apa promotion ah?
Cheese ball.
Meatball?
Cheese ball.
Cheese ball. Okay, this is cheese ball. You wanna try, kid?
Here you go. You want
Cheese
picture,
ball.
Rihanna? You want a picture or not? Yeah.
Nice. Oh, more like take video. Hey, say hi. Okay, we got you. Got you. Another meatball guy. Plant ball. Thank you.
Alright, let's go.
All for the fun of it.